Ever notice how money makes people do crazy things? Ever notice how even the best companies start sucking? Ever notice how eventually you're asked to toe the line? Well, let's do something about it. Let's build an amazing company without the crap. Now, everyone knows that cats can read minds. You just thought to yourself, that's impossible. Everyone knows that money makes the world go round. Really? Are you sure? I dare you to join me and find out. Here's what I propose. Vote for this cat video and join me at a breakout session. At the session, we will create a mock-you company. You've heard of a mockumentary, right? Well, this is a mock company. This company will provide meow-kitting. That's right, cats and marketing. Meow-kitting. Our goal will be no less than to build the largest organization in the world, currently held by the Department of Defense with 3.2 million employees. Join our Mittens Industrial Complex and change the world. Just vote for the cat video.